what's up, guys? So me and old Jorge over here about to take old Pearl to Kentucky, and I'm about to do a little scouting and go through Tennessee, Memphis, Mississippi, Alabama, and then back to Georgia for a 2-day trip, just for the hell of it. It's Thanksgiving. Freaking follow along. What's going on, guys? We just got on the road, just left from where was that? Got about a dang 7-hour ride. It's been the longest drive I've done probably. And old Pearl, for me anyways. So, we gonna see what she's got. So, y'all stay tuned.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're finally in the downtown Atlanta. Getting bumper to bumper. We ain't stopped yet, but
Bumper to bumper! Freaking idiots!
welcome to a big old city.
5 hours turning to dang 8 hours now. Freaking no.
We should be in Tennessee around 11, 11:30,
12.
or 12.
Got to
So-
stop by and see my aunt and uncle. Girl, second time in downtown Atlanta, baby. You doing good, old girl. Alright guys, we just got done seeing my aunt and uncle. We up here in Atlanta right this minute. And we still got 5 dang hours to go. But we'll see you back on the road. Alright, we're getting on the road here, getting us a fat burger from the Donald Mick. They got a freaking third window at a McDonald's. You ever seen that? You ever seen that? Me neither. We got that many more time to get there. So it'll be 12:40 by the time we get there. So
If nothing goes wrong, that is.
yeah, still got to get some dang gas. Getting pretty low. So
Wish us luck.
that's my gas gauge, and we're kind of lost right now trying to look for gas because we went a little bit out of town. There weren't really no gas station on the way out we were going, but we're kind of lost right now trying to find freaking gas. Never mind, we found it. Thank goodness. We've made it to civilization.
With hardly any houses around.
Man, I swear if they don't have my premium, I'm about to just curb my rims, brother.
You only give old Pearl the best.
Yeah, I got a crackhead right there. Oh, look at this crackhead.
Okay, I see that.
Shit, make up your mind, son. Anyways, we made it to. Oh, get her nice and good, George. She likes it. She likes it like that. Ain't that right, girl? Mm-hmm. You like that? Just sling it every freaking where, George. She's a naughty, naughty little girl, ain't she? Yes.
She's dirty is what she is.
Yeah, she's a dirty little truck. She's a dirty little truck. Yeah. We in Tennessee, baby! Woo! Second time in the same year, baby. Doing good, old girl. Keep us going. Yeah. 3 hours, 33 minutes.
So we'll be at campsite. With this cold front rainstorm thing coming through, it's been a little difficult, but
We're making it. Getting a little rain, boys. A little wet outside. hard too. Next stop, Nashville, baby. Look at that. Nashville. Nashville. First time ever.
Music City. Here we go.
Yeah. Music City, here we come. Old Pearl's on their way. We're in freaking Nashville, baby. Old Pearl is in Nashville. Woo! Look.
Two Georgia boys have never been here before. This is something else. I'll tell you that.
Country Music Hall of Fame, baby. Almost there, boys. Almost to freaking Kentucky. And almost to our spot. Be about 30 minutes or so. But we're right there on it. I didn't know if we'd be able to see the sign or not, so I just went ahead and did it. But we about to be in freaking Kentucky. Pearl's longest trip ever. She done great. Done great. So, if anything happens between now and then, I'll let y'all know. But other than that, we'll see you at the campsite. Kentucky! We're in Kentucky, boys! Woo! We're in freaking Kentucky, George.
Only 45 minutes left.
We're in freaking Kentucky, George. Can you believe it?
I cannot believe it.
We're in freaking Kentucky, dude. We're in Kentucky, George. Yes, sir. Yeah. We're in freaking Kentucky, bro. With Old Pearl.
12:30 in the morning.
Yeah, it's freaking
Well,
12:30
here.
Yeah.
At least. It's 1:30 at home.
About to fill up with the last little bit of go-go juice to get us to where we're going, so. We're freaking tired, boy. Freaking tired. Freaking
Sure, you made the whole entire drive.
6 hours been driving. This is like the 4th time we had to stop and get gas. Yeah.
Old Pearl is loaded down after all.
Yeah, she loaded down, going up them dang mountains. She ain't liking all that, but we made it. We here now. Well, guys, we freaking made it. You can't see it out there, but we're trying to get this freaking tent up. And it's like 2 o'clock in the morning in Georgia.
It's like 37 degrees here. I don't
He
have
ain't got
any
no
socks.
socks or nothing on, so that thing's up.
Everything's wet.
He gonna be freezing his tail off in this dang tent. Gonna be nice and toasty in the back of Old Pearl. But we're about to try to get the tent up real quick. Our tent done fell.
Can't see anything.
Huh?
Can't see anything.
Alrighty, guys. About getting ready for bed. Got all my stuff organized. Let's go check on Mr. George's castle.
Morning, guys. It is messy in here because it is cold and it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm just trying to get set up. Come on in to our messy house.
That ain't too bad. That wind cuts off the wind a little bit.
Yeah, in the morning I should be able to fix it up.
Yeah,
Got me a little extra padding this time from last week, so upgraded everything. Should be able to go this time.
drugs, you know. Oh, okay. All the necessities. We're trying to put his heater together. Just don't kill yourself. Alright, guys, we made it. We all tucked in nice and tight in the sleeping bag. We ain't got my heater because I don't really need it right now, but y'all pray for George. He's probably gonna be freezing his ass off. We'll see y'all in the morning. Holler.